In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get login to Microsoft Copilot on Windows. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to sign in using your Windows PC so you can start using Copilot right away. I'll keep things clear and add helpful tips along the way to make sure nothing gets in your way. First, open your preferred web browser on Windows. Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or any modern browser will work, and go to copilot.microsoft.com. This is the official Copilot website. If the page doesn't load the first time, give it a quick refresh and make sure you're connected to the internet. You don't need to install anything for this, we're signing in on the web. Once the page opens, look to the top right corner for the profile icon. It usually looks like a small person silhouette or a circle. Click that profile icon to bring up the account menu. This is where you'll find the option to sign in and link Copilot to your account so your settings and history stay in sync. Next, click Sign In. Depending on your browser, this may open a new tab or a small pop-up. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow it just for this sign-in so the window can appear. You'll be redirected to the secure login screen that handles authentication for Copilot. Here, you'll see options to continue with Microsoft, Google, or Apple. Choose the sign-in method that matches the account you want to use with Copilot. If you already have a Microsoft account for personal or work use, select Microsoft. If you prefer using your Google or Apple identity, those options work too. After you click your choice, you may be asked to confirm your identity, like entering your password or approving a prompt on your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, select your account and you're logged in. If you have more than one account, make sure you pick the one you want to use with Copilot. You'll know you're signed in when the profile icon updates, often showing your initials or profile photo. From here, you're ready to use Copilot on the web. If something looks stuck, try refreshing the page. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, closing and reopening the browser can help. That's it. Quick and straightforward. You've gone to the Copilot site, clicked the profile icon, selected Sign In, chose your preferred provider, and picked your account. You're now signed in and ready to go on your Windows device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Copilot can do for you.